Breaking news, and this is over the massive row over Airtel's alleged support to the bigotry that was seen through one of their customers. VHP has now joined this big controversy. Speaking to India Today, the VHP said that Muslims all over the world are known for their bad behavior.
ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। विश्व भर में इस तरह का एक परसेप्शन बन रहा है कि मुस्लिम समुदाय के व्यक्ति का व्यवहार कैसा है। ये भी समझ में आ रहा है लोगों को कि भाई आखिरकार उनके साथ क्या क्या बीत रही है। ये मुस्लिम उलेमाओं को, धर्मगुरुओं को उनको समझना पड़ेगा कि आखिरकार ये परसेप्शन कौन बना रहा है, कैसे बन रहा है, किस लिए बन रहा है। कहीं इसके लिए वो लोग तो जिम्मेदार नहीं है जो कि अल्लाह अकबर का नाम लेकर के लोगों का खून खराबा करते हैं। कहीं वो लोग तो जिम्मेदार नहीं है जो कि मस्जिद से नमाज पढ़ के निकलते हैं और तिरंगे को जला देते हैं। कि वो लोग जिम्मेदार नहीं है कि मस्जिद के बाहर एक सैनिक का खून कर देते हैं। कि वो लोग तो जिम्मेदार नहीं है जो कि वास्तव में ऐसी महिलाओं का जो कि सच्चे मन से काम करती हैं उनको लव जिहाद के चक्कर में फंसा देते हैं।
Let me go straight across now to Ashutosh, who got that reaction. Ashutosh, but this is most disturbing. I mean, the VHP jumping into this big agitation, this big controversy, and instead of condemning the incident, adding fuel to fire and also inciting passions.
Well, Avantika, looking into this case scenario, that how, hatred is actually spreading in our society, and then other side you have a bigotry, like one customer who's actually, indulging into mocking the Muslims, and then you have a company who's actually obliging such customers. But other side, we do, we have seen how the the Airtel being company has received flack on social media, celebrity, political class, every intellectual of society have come out to openly condemn it. But then other side, you have the extremist organization like Vishwa Hindu Parishad. They're coming out openly, and not only they justifying what that girl, the way she spoke to Airtel executive and then denied service from a Muslim boy and then calling for a service from a Hindu executive, and then other side you have the company. In fact, going ahead, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad leader Bansal, he also said, if the kind of amount the Airtel is actually being protested, what if Hindus go against them? So that is kind of bigotry. It's not going to stop here. Yes, at least some sense of mind prevailing. We have people actually condemning and flacking against Airtel, but then other side you have the organization like Vishwa Hindu Parishad who are openly justifying and defending it. True, but those views are in
their own personal capacity, and that doesn't really reflect the general mood of the nation, especially after the kind of backlash that Airtel received, the kind of furor that was created on social media following the bigotry that was expressed through one of their customers.
This is for second time it is happening. If you remember the same incident that took place with Ola and Uber last month, when the similar incident was reported, and ultimately, it is the society, the larger section of society is actually rejecting such kind of mindset and such kind of hatred spreading out in the society. Now, this time again, we have seen the kind of, higher class in the liberals and the intellectual class, celebrities, everyone have come out to, to condemn this whole incident.
Okay.
But then the question that goes on the extremist organization like Vishwa Hindu Parishad, if they continue to back such mindsets, this is actually going to trigger it further. Avantika.
All right, Ashutosh, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more on.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.